everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Who's having a great day. It's a lot cooler today. It was pretty hot there last week. It was over 100 degrees, so that's about 35 C or Celsius in Canada. So I have a unboxing today. I have gonna do kind of a little bit of a random. We're gonna do Hudson Bay, and we're gonna do the shopping channel. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, this is from the shopping channel. Got my blade. All right, let's see what this one looks like. All right, here's my receipt, and if you need to return it, they give you a little, you know, like a reason why kind of thing. And the good thing about the shopping channel is they have free returns. So if you don't like anything within 30 days, then just return it and they give you a full refund, no questions asked. So it's pretty cool. All right, comes in a little box like this. Oh, this is pretty nice. They have, kind of reminds you of the Haunted Mansion wallpaper. All right. Okay, come in a little thing like that. Let's see what this looks like. And this is from Himalayan Gems. So if you guys follow the shopping channel, you'll know what I'm talking about, basically. This is the silver popcorn, and this is in the, this is a necklace, obviously. Yeah, this is a pretty good one, actually. I think this was under $50. So wow, yeah, that's good. That's a good one. This is actually thicker than People's. It's pretty sparkly. I got this because I wanted to swap out different necklaces with my Pandora pendant. So I never tried the Himalayan Gems silver collection, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty weighty and it's pretty thick comparison to my People's one. Okay, so yeah, I think this is going to be a keeper, and it does have a lobster claw clasp, and usually they put the on the cheaper ones, they usually put the spring ring, the round one, and this one has the lobster claw. You can kind of see it better there. All right, so that's a good one. All right, and then let's do Hudson Bay. It came in a huge humongous box like this, which is, you're gonna pretty well think this is crazy, but got my blade. I don't know why they didn't just put this like in a packet. I was talking to the lady at the post office and she said, it's a big box for what it is. Yeah. Maybe they get a cut rate on big boxes. I don't know. But this is what's in there. This whole box is my Chanel nail polish. Comes with the receipt. And this one is the bronze one. And I'll pull it out real quick here. But in that big box, that's what this is. This is all that I got. Because my sneakers that I wanted, my Converse, was canceled, so I was able to get this. which I've been looking at for a while. I thought it was an awfully pretty color. And Chanel nail polish is really pretty. It's spendy, but so is all Chanel stuff. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today on these two items. If you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, because once I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. It's going to be a Loungefly. So make sure you subscribe, ring my bell, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style. Keep it positive. Bye, guys.